Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Bernard. Um, I have absolutely no followers whatsoever. But recently, my sweetheart, my world, my wife, my love of my life, she, it's my birthday, and all I really wanted was some Kith 40 below. And you know how big they are. They only came out with 300 in each color wave. So I don't know how they did it, but they did it. I don't know why Timberland does that, but it's great because then you're pretty much unique. You only have 300 of these particular that particular boot out there, and you got them. So I got them. We went online and purchased the boot, and they came today, and I'm so pumped. I'm not gonna tell you how much I paid for them. Well, how much she paid for them, but yeah, just know this: she loves me. And I'm about to show you. I'm about to set this camera up here because I've been watching a lot of, the 40 below. Here's the box came in. Been watching a lot of 40 below, the Kith, Ronnie, Fieg, whatever, Timberland shoe, and I don't think they do a justification. I don't think they give it love. So what I'm gonna do is, I have a knife. Got my daughter's key, and I'm gonna open this up. Go from there. I'm so pumped. I'm gonna try them on too. So see how they look. Go from there. So like I said, I watch a lot of videos. Not to take anything away from anybody's video. I think they're cool, but I don't think they really Timberland has been around for a while. They the greatest boots. Like, we done flipped them and turned them to something else. They used to be work boots. Now they sociable. You can get they style. We hooked it up, and this is being a little more difficult because of this key. But bear with me. Let me get this joint, and wow. Again, okay, hold up. Now I wear size 12, but being as though the 12 got sold, I got 11 and a half, so should be good to go. Timberlands are usually cut big, and I'm not gonna. Comment below, tell me how you like the video, and to all 3 of my followers. But do me that favor. All right, got the bottom of the box, so I'm gonna flip it, see what happens. The magic. So here we go. Wow, here we go. It's beautiful. Look at that, Kith. I like Kith. Cool guy. He's doing a lot right now. He's been doing a lot, but I think he's doing it big. He's definitely being unique about putting his stuff out there so you can be unique. Let's go for it. Let's see how it looks when you first open it. Okay, ready? Wow, here you go. You got the Kith paper. And here's the boot. Wow. So pumped. It's really good. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. If you watch the other videos, they have the 2 strings, the extra strings for whatever. And there it is. You got the Sherlin and the Ronnie Fieg keychain, which most guys just keep them on there and go with the flow. I'm gonna keep mine on there. But this beautiful boot, very beautiful boot. Oh my goodness. Doesn't get any better. Smells good too. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I got them. So you both pair. There you go. Pretty slick. And you can do a lot of damage to this boot, and I think it just gets better and better. The more you break this in, the better the boot is. Like most Timberlands, you break them in, and it gets like they start looking better. When they fresh, they fresh. But when they start building your characteristic to what you're doing all day, they get even better to me. You know what I'm saying? Now, it gets to a point where as though they get so old that you don't wear them every day, or because Timberlands you can wear in the summertime. I know I have. But you know, these is for life because they only made them like 300 of these, this particular colorway. So I'm gonna keep them forever, even when they get to a point where it's though, no more. Don't wear no more, don't wear. Don't throw these away, ever. All right, well, I'm about to try these on, so I'm gonna put you on pause for a second, then I'm gonna show you the boot on my foot, all right? All right.